In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the value of sine theta over 2 if we are given that cosine of theta is 3 over 4 and the domain is 3 pi over 2 is less than theta and theta is less than 2 pi. Let's start off first by drawing a chart to see where our domain is at. Now, in degrees, 3 pi over 2 is 270 degrees and 2 pi is 360 degrees. So our domain is between 270 degrees and 360 degrees. Let's make a right triangle to visualize, and I will use the formula for sine of theta over 2 since this is a half angle identity. So the formula is sine of theta over 2 is equals to plus or minus all square root of 1 minus cosine theta over 2. To determine which sign to use, take a look at the angle formed by our triangle. And you can see here that we don't know what the actual angle is, and visualize which position would this angle go if it were to be divided by 2. Usually any angles in the fourth quadrant that are divided by 2 would go in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the sign value is positive, and therefore we have to use the positive sign for this formula. So we're going to use the positive sign, omit the negative sign. So substitute the value of cosine theta for 3 over 4. And then solve the formula. So the answer for this formula is 1 over square root of 2. And then this is not the answer yet because we have to rationalize the denominator, and doing so we multiply both sides by square root of 2. So our final answer is square root of 2 over 2. Then you can use the calculator to find the decimal value of square root of 2 over 2, which would give you approximately 0.7071, and then it's continuous. So the value of sine of theta over 2 is square root of 2 over 2, which is inside of our given domain. And that's it for our problem.